guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export an SRT caption on CapCut PC. So select your video first and then go to text, and you're going to select the auto captions, select the spoken language, and then select generate first. You're going to do that. It's going to wait for it to generate. It does take longer the duration of your video is, so keep that in mind. Then select the export section on CapCut. Oh, I can't. But you're just going to select export, and then you're going to take off video as well as audio, and you're going to be left with the SRT caption, and it's just going to export the caption. I can't though, because apparently auto caption now is pro, which not good. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.